Birthday list begins with Kolby Johnson, aka the Little Man, and it is Tool time right there in the Johnson household as Kolby celebrates number 3 in Girard.
All right, he's ready to get to building. Geneva Grimmett turning 4 years old this year. She's ready to go shopping in Pittsburgh with birthday wishes. Love, Mommy and Daddy.
Logan's got a big day because he's got to make that trip out to Southeast Elementary Preschool right there. Looks like we got a county fair that we're probably anticipating coming up if he's raising the poultry there. Happy 5th to you, Mr. Dillon in McCune.
All right, also turning 5 years old, let's see, we got Kelsi Moss. All right, enjoying the snow cones already? Loving it.
It's
Kelsi
huge.
Moss in Columbus.
That thing's huge. Kellan Ast celebrating a 15th birthday out on the mound. Keep the runners close. Look in, get the sign, celebrate your 15th birthday, and then throw up backward K's, my man. Get it, Kellan? K's? He's in Nevada.
We'll take that. Miranda McCready turning 32 years old this year. Happy birthday to Miranda in Chanute.
Kevin Harvey celebrating his 34th birthday. Kevin, a very happy birthday to you. This comes from happy birthday wishes from Mom and Dad.
All right. Christopher Stalling turning 39 years old this year. Picture there with the fam. Christopher is in Webb City.
And in Columbus, a happy 80th birthday to Miss Linda Baker. Beautiful balloons there, Linda. Have a marvelous, marvelous birthday.
All right. And let's see, we've got
That's a good picture.
Bob Adams celebrating in Parsons.
Great picture right there.
All right, all right. Your daughter's sending you out birthday wishes, but she's not only sending them to you, she's sending them to Aunt Roberta, who is your twin sister. You can see her there in the pic. She's all the way out in Silver Springs, Maryland.
That's all right. We're still, they can still watch us online. We're big in former ACC/Big Ten country.
That's all right. Bob and Roberta. I love that throwback pic. You're so proud to be your sister, and she's like, get your arms off me.
No, he's like, no, I love it, but you're my sister, and I love you.
Holmes said, smile, sis. He's trying to talk to her out of this corner of his mouth in that picture.
I bet Mom and Dad had their hands full with those two. You got a feeling, right? Happy birthday, Bob and Roberta. Peanut Hess, happy birthday in Pittsburgh. Jay Martin, celebrating number 54. Happy birthday to Jay in Columbus. And Kenny Whitty, a happy birthday to you in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this May the 5th. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Sure.